Irwindale Speedway, 60 laps of main event action, getting ready to go on the third mile. Green flag.
Boston and Sloan out to the early lead, and it's going to be Sloan to the outside that makes the power move out of turn number 2 and takes the lead.
Sloan was telling me during the autograph session, had a conversation, and he said he's won championships here at Irwindale Speedway. He's raced at least 3 to 4 divisions here, and he has never driven on the third mile until last night, and practice was cut short. How will that affect his race?
Well, I think he's kind of learning right now, and learning by hitting the ground running out to the lead. But look at this pack going into turns number 1 and 2. Holly Clark and the 11 of Longman side by side now. I feel like here comes Thurkettle. Is he going to chance it to go 3 wide and the 5T?
A great race, and out of turn number 4, Longman in that 11 machine. That yellow car had a great qualifying effort. Third fastest in qualifying. He slips back to 4th here as they get things sorted out. Remember, uphill draw kind of jumbles up the top 8 positions. That's why Holly Clark started back in the 5th spot, but a great qualifying effort for her. Fast time in that red number 17. Just got to keep it clean as they work their way through turn number 2. Oh, contact out of turn number 2. Vossen and Giannini, it looked like. That smoked up the left front of the 10, and now both those drivers are going to have to hope that that doesn't end up cutting down a tire. You can't do that on the third mile. That's not allowed.
He's going the long way around, but he's making it work to the outside and getting by the 41 of Kyle Jack. So up to second is Thurkettle's 5T machine.
Again, Tom, and this is a good amount of speed we're seeing out of Longman in this 11 car. He took a little bit of a break for a couple races, and they're firing on all cylinders here today.
Yeah, they're making it happen to the inside of Kyle Jacks now for the 3rd spot. Takes it out of turn number 2. Jaron Giannini in the red and black 25 machine. Your points leader coming in to this race. Remember, got the win at Havasu and also got the maybe the peer pressure, maybe the bug. Either way, to continue on with the remainder of the season.
Yeah,
a lot less effort.
Turn number 1, by the way, with the battle for 3rd. In fact, I say that just as Thurkettle was peeking to the inside. So we got good battles all over the place. I'm going to just make my eyes go in 2 different directions right now.
Yep. Your doctor will love it if you did. All right, Thurkettle to the inside and gets by Sloan. Wonder if it's under the hood or if it's under the helmet possibly.
Oh, boy. Real estate gets very limited as drivers typically go into these corners.
Yeah, and this track is wide, but it's not the progressive bank like we see on the half mile here at Irwindale. It is pretty much a one-groove racetrack.
Smotherman now using that bumper. Oh, no, they saved it, but you're right on it. These 2 cars just had some contact. That's Vossen and Guevara that just got into each other. Still seeing the smoke out of the 89, but he just completed the pass on Kyle Jackson, the 41. So, and then another set of cars that are really racing it. Well, no, let's stay on that because Kyle Jacks is driving super sideways. Caution flag is out. Lap number 30 here at Irwindale Speedway. The Spears Manufacturing Modifieds are back to racing.
Well, we know Thurkettle can get the job done. Sloan is pedaling on the outside, but keep your eyes on the 25 of Giannini. This is his opportunity to help defend his points lead.
He's looking to that inside, trying to get by Sloan. A lot of side-by-side action throughout the pack. You see the best battle up top, and it is between Giannini and Sloan. Now Sloan, he's done street stocks here, late models, super lates, modifieds, of course, and door slamming.
Oh, trouble on the back straightaway. We got 2 cars stuck together. That's the 10 and the 88 of Gunther and Vossen.
Green flag back in the air for Travis Thurkettle and the rest of the field.
Sloan trying to make something work on the outside, but that allows the 25 of Giannini to make the move for the 2nd spot. To the inside he goes, all in the mirror of Thurkettle.
This is a battle for the 10th position, and we know Boston's already had some contact, and he's going to do it again there. Dalton is another one of those drivers who you don't want to poke the bear too hard.
No, not at all. And these are teammates.
Oh, you really don't want to push them.
Technically, they are teammates, and yeah, you don't want to make the car owner upset. But hey, you also are battling for a race. Don't let you put your helmets on. What about your teammates?
Yeah.
And now takes the checkered flag out of turn number 4, showboat style.
I thought he was going to do a full spin.
Nice work, Travis Thurkettle, showing off there a little bit. Thurkettle with some victory donuts on the front straightaway.
Oh, yeah.
TT, that all changes tonight, baby.
Can you take the monkey off now, please?
The monkey is gone.
Yeah, I mean, I'm no longer half-mile Jack, so, I mean, this is a long time coming. We've been working really hard on our short track program, and man, Jeremy Doss pushed us hard last year. We thought we should have won a few on this track, but he was just a little bit better. I don't think he could have held us off tonight. This car was just on rails, could go anywhere, pointed straight, and it just turned better than any short track car I've ever driven. It was awesome. It's fun to race.